guys, so excuse how we're looking right now. Today is our 3rd year annual beach bonfire. I have a bonfire every year. And the tradition that we do is we burn all the school papers in the fire because we don't need that no more. And right now we're getting ready. I don't know what time it is right now, but I'm boiling water to put in the thermoses to make hot chocolate for later. Yeah. And not the chain getting stuck under. This bonfire is Luau themed, so I got like little fake lays because, you know, ain't no point in getting no real lays for like $5 each if they about to just get thrown out the next day. So we're at the beach and I'm with one of the friends who came early. Hi, this is Andrea. She's been on the channel before. We're gonna get back to you later when more people show up, and because we're hungry and want to eat pizza.
I was here at 3:10. I was on time.
We love an on-time early person.
One thing, I'm punctual.
Hi, this is Soraya. The sun just decided it wanted to disappear and just want to be gloomy like June gloom. Luce came. She finally arrived. Oh, there we go. Let's go to the water. Y'all want to see the water? Y'all, this is just the LA beach. It's not spectacular, but best believe we're gonna be taking our beach photos later because
Guys, we're gonna get these photos.
yeah, bro, it's gonna be cold. Oh, wait, let's just try again. Let's try again. So more people have arrived. Aaliyah and Zoe came by. If you guys want to say hi, can you guys see yourselves?
Yeah.
Oh, this is cute. And they're always I got scared. No, I have seagull trauma. Hi guys.
I don't want to touch them.
So if we go to a dog cafe in Japan,
We ain't going to no damn dog cafe. I leave animals alone. I let them be.
what is the Nara deer? The Nara deer?
Girl, I have no idea what that is. But
They're deer in Japan. You can feed them.
No. I leave animals alone.
Bro, we're outside.
You can get another pizza?
No, I like your tooth.
Oh!
Yes.
So we just took our pictures. I'll insert them on the screen. Vicente. I'm just kidding. Vincent. Vicente. Vicente de la Mancha.
Are you doing which one we're doing? This one?
Yeah, okay.
Wait.
Oh, Vincent, stop.
Y'all ready to hear
No.
Y'all ready to hear this? She never watched one single effing Medea movie. Not even one. Not even one.
I revoke your skin color. I feel like they're all the same. Like, do I really have to watch all of them?
Yes, you do.
That shit is good.
Yes, you're very
Is
much
it?
that too.
Baby. No, I ain't gonna say that. And the one where she goes to jail.
The black woman.
Oh,
That one.
you haven't watched.
Sorry, that was Cthulhu. Sorry.
Wait, why did I just now?
My bad.
You haven't watched not one?
There's a white man, and
Nick.
then like he.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Medea.
You haven't watched one?
This man is barely realizing what I said. This man right here.
Wait,
that man.
You haven't watched.
And she has not watched Medea at all. We see where our priorities are at and everything. And
Traveling and stuff. I don't got time to watch.
we get it.
Question. What's the last movie you watched? What's the last movie you watched?
That's a good question.
Okay, when's the last time you watched the show?
I want to say a couple days ago.
How many seasons are there in the show?
3.
What season are you on?
3.
So you got time to be successful and watch a show that's longer than probably an hour.
more entertaining. Hi guys, so we're making s'mores. Don't put your foot up.
Nick, what is you doing, child?
I'm having a hard time right now.
What is going on? Okay, so as I said before, a tradition is that we're burning our schoolwork. I have 2 folders. AP Spanish Lit is most of them. It's burning. We don't need this anymore. It's time to go. First, we're gonna start off with this folder.
bar. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that to burn. Oh no.
That looks beautiful.
When I get mad.
Oh shit, it's catching fire.
Hello guys, we're leaving now. We had a little chit chat with bestie Slay Raya. She's gonna graduate tomorrow. I hope you guys, well actually no, I'll just update you guys when I get home.
Back to the casa.